Welcome to AlternativeTherapyClinic.net. This is Dr. Kaushik. Today we will talk about menopausal problems. Menopause simply means the end of menstruation, but the term is also used to refer to the months and years in a woman's life before and after her final period. Most women menstruate for the last time at about 50 years of age. A few do so as early as 40, and a very small percentage as late as 60. Some of the symptoms which is an indication of menopause includes hot flushes and mood swings, but they are temporary and will pass as your body adjusts. But more permanent problems can also result, like decreased levels of estrogen, for example, affects the way bones absorb calcium and can raise cholesterol levels in the blood. Postmenopausal women thus face increased risk for developing both osteoporosis and cardiovascular diseases such as arteriosclerosis. Now, let's talk a little about the cause of the menopausal stage. As levels of the hormones, especially the estrogen, declines with the age, they cause changes throughout the body and particularly in the reproductive system, the most noticeable change being the end of the menstruation cycle. Decreased estrogen levels may also be responsible for various symptoms associated with menopause. Before going on the treatment part, I would like to discuss a little about the menopausal myths and facts. One of the myths associated with menopause is that menopause makes women emotionally unstable. But the fact is that most women experience no emotional problems. Those that occur can be treated very easily with the help of alternative therapies or even by herself. One of the myths is that menopause puts an end to sexual desire. Vaginal dryness can make intercourse little painful, reducing desire, but this is readily treated with vaginal lubricants or estrogen creams. One of the myths is that menopause disrupts a woman's life. But the fact is that most women experience few or no menopausal problems, and 25% have moderate treatable symptoms. In countries where age is restricted, women report the fewest symptoms during menopause. The treatment part includes both the conventional and the alternative therapies. The most common approach to treating menopausal problem is to resupply the body with the estrogens it no longer produces in sufficient quantities, known in conventional medicine as hormonal or hormone replacement therapy. But this technique is somewhat controversial because of the certain side effects it may possess. But in the conventional medicine, your doctor may recommend HRT to help prevent cardiovascular diseases and osteoporosis. If you have had any breast cancer, endometrial cancer, liver disease or any blood clots, you should not take estrogen as an hormonal replacement therapy. And in many cases, even the progestin alone may relieve the hot flushes. Now let's come to the very simple alternative choices. In alternative choices, we have the Chinese herbs. These Chinese herbs may include dong quai and Asian ginseng. These two Chinese herbs contains a form of estrogen known as phytoestrogen or plant estrogens. Exact proportions are important, and some dosages are toxic also. So before finalizing, just consult or take from an authentic source. A few of the herbal therapies are also involved in this, but a very important part is the nutrition and your diet changes. You can minimize the side effects of the menopausal stage or symptoms with the help of the nutrition and diet. Eating foods high in plant estrogens such as soya beans and lima beans may alleviate symptoms. And other sources includes nuts and seeds, fennel, celery, parsley and flaxseed oils. So including these products in your diet will relieve you, will not only replenish the estrogen requirements of the body, but will relieve you from the menopausal symptoms, which may cause problems in certain women, in few women. Apart from that, some home remedies are also recommended, like raise your calcium intake and engage in weight bearing exercises to avoid osteoporosis and maintain a general good health. You can also take 400 to 800 IU of vitamin E daily to treat hot flashes and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Thank you so much. For any query, you can always log into alternativetherapyclinic.net. Thank you.